Hi friends, welcome back to GHK Right Diet by Dr. Teji Sada, PhD Nutrition from India. In the series of childhood obesity, this is my second video, and today I'll be talking about how can you as a parent help your child to be healthy, or there's already a child at home who is overweight or struggling with obesity. How can you as a parent help him get back all his confidence and put him back to good eating habits? To start with, there are a few things, do's and don'ts as a parent that you need to do. That means you should not use these words in front of your child. Fat, obese, overweight, chubby in a very day-to-day life. Okay, it is okay that you take him and you talk one-to-one on these topics, but on a daily routine, on a day-to-day conversation, you need not use all these words and words like diet. Look at that child, comparing your child with some other child, or something like no Coke, no Pepsi, no TV. So there can be words like let's eat something healthy, let's eat together, let's prepare the food together. Start adding some positivity in all your sentences while you're having conversation with your kids. So as per a research, that parents who think that they are doing their best by stopping or by controlling or by restricting food habits in their children, they are doing good. No, research says that that's not a good thing, and it is provoking more inferiority complex in your child. So do not restrict food. So now this is very important thing in my practice. What I have been always advising my clients is that do not restrict your child's food intake. That's the step one. Do not restrict your child food intake. Instead, you can ask him or ask your child to run a lot, to physically burn it out. Because what happened that your child is in a growing stage. He or she is in a puberty, reaching puberty, or in the last stage of puberty, moving towards adulthood, and body requires all the fuel, all the nutrients. Okay, so that is very important that you do not restrict your child to stop eating this, stop eating. You do not label your foods as good or bad. Okay, so food should never be a reward and it should never be a punishment. That's point two. Food should never be a reward or it should never be a punishment for your child. As a parent, you should tell and you should believe it first on yourself that there is no perfect size and no perfect shape. And this has to be transferred very nicely, engraved in your child's mind that there is no perfect size and no perfect shape. My last video ended on a note that parents should be a role model. So these 2 or 3 points that I have discussed in this video are the basis of that role model. Okay, for a child, you are the role model. You are the first teachers. So a child will adopt, and take all the goods and bads from you. Okay, so as a parent, you should engrave good eating habits in your child. First thing, which is very important, start having meals together. How much ever busy you are, whatever is going on the earth, you should eat with your children. That is very important thing. Eating together builds up a good conversation, good bonding, and good lifestyle habits into your child. Involve your children in shopping, planning and preparing meals. Take them out, and you can even involve them in kitchen to cook meals so that they know the importance of meal, and they should know how much oil is going inside, what kind of fat is going inside, what vegetables are you using, how many colors of vegetables are there in the food, the spices. And when you with the kids around you, start talking about the importance of those food, of all the ingredients that you are cooking. What are the importance of the ingredients? That tackling obesity and managing it and treating is very easy. You just have to be very careful in what you eat and what you make your child eat. So stay tuned for these series on childhood obesity. In my upcoming videos, I'll be sharing more information on childhood obesity, how it can be prevented. Do not forget to hit the bell icon so that your notified for all my upcoming videos. And remember, if you have not subscribed till now, do subscribe and show your love towards your health. Stay tuned, stay happy. Bye bye.